Tybee needs for the sidewalk. It gets so hot here. A little
well-designed little
sun protection hat.
Yeah, it has a thing so you can tighten it.
Oh, how
on the
cute.
head. So those are cute.
It's a good gift for a little one.
Tybee actually needs this.
Yeah, he likes to be swaddled. This is this new thing he's going through where he likes to be wrapped up in the blanket and carried. He's a baby.
He sure does.
Whole Foods has these cool stasher reusable bags that you can cook in. I guess you can put them in boiling water. Pure platinum silicone. These are nice.
They are.
Good
I
for
like this idea.
snacks on the go.
I wonder if it's difficult to clean the inside after you're done.
Probably not, yeah.
Yeah, those are nice.
Star Wars Episode 9, The Rise of Skywalker. That's pretty. Yeah.
That looks like that plate you have.
Yeah, that is cute. I want to get a little stand to go under my window. So it's pretty hot out. This morning I decided to change it up and get this Chameleon cold brew espresso coffee. And my mom got,
I got Khalifa.
they make nice almond milk, black and white. This has almond milk in it. Cool. You have to tell us how that is.
I might put some stevia in it if it's not.
Yeah, I'm liven it up a bit. Let's test.
It's okay.
Yeah?
I'm going to put a little stevia in it though.
Is it a good coffee taste?
Yeah, the coffee comes through. It says it's mild, on the mild side of caffeine strength.
Oh,
I
okay.
bet you yours is more potent.
Yeah, mine's espresso. Like I like.
Here, do you want a packet
Yes,
of
please.
stevia?
So this morning I got, there's arugula and rice cauliflower on the bottom, and then I got some edamame, and they had this really good honeydew melon and cucumber salad on the bar. That's really good. So I got some of that, blackberries, a piece of tofu, some peanuts, a pecan, some raisins, and I dusted it with coconut, black sesame, and I think it said, oh, I sprinkled some quinoa in there too. Just a little medley. There's a raisin. What'd you get?
I really went crazy today. I started out with the oatmeal fixings on the bottom, and then I suddenly went into salad. And on top of it all, I dusted it with some turmeric.
Yeah.
But I did try that melon salad. That looks really good.
Yeah, it is good.
And then there's pineapple mango.
I didn't see that.
And what was the other thing I got? The
Quinoa.
quinoa.
Cool. And you got a
And of
falafel.
course, I love these things.
Yeah, they're good.
So, bon appetit.
Did the stevia make it,
I like it. It makes it a little milder.
is it smooth?
Yeah. You want to try it?
Yeah, that's a very strong almond milk taste to it.
Califia.
I always think of Wiz Khalifa whenever I see that, Wiz Khalifa Farms. It's quite strong. I think probably people buy this and pour it over milk, but yours truly is gonna drink it black, but it's bitter. What's that? That's weird. There are actual almonds in there.
I'm hoping that's what it is.
Hopefully it's not teeth. Oh, you guys, there's this thing going around, this awful human being. Is it an almond or what is that?
Whatever it is, all the stevia attracted to it.
Oh, the stevia you put in there.
It's like a,
Anyways, I was going to tell you guys, there's this awful thing going around. This girl, it's like some social media thing that's terrible. She goes around into grocery stores and takes the ice cream off the shelf, specifically Bluebell ice cream, and she takes the lid off and she licks the top of the ice cream and puts the lid back on and puts it on. And they caught her, and I think she's going to jail for that.
isn't that
Gross.
disgusting?
That is awful.
But I saw one where a girl went in Walmart and she opened up the mouthwash.
Yeah.
And, you know, swished it around in her mouth and then spit it back into the mouthwash bottle and it's just minty fresh.
They must have read that book Infinite Jest with the toothbrushes. There's that book that I like so much, Infinite Jest.
Yeah.
There's a scene in it where these criminals break in and they take the people's toothbrushes and they put them up their butts and they take pictures of it, and then they take photographs and then they put the toothbrushes back, and then like several months later they mail them the photographs. So they were brushing their teeth with the toothbrushes the whole time. That's awful.
Horrible.
Yeah.
That's something somebody would do to their ex.
I love that book, David Foster Wallace, Infinite Jest. It's a good one. But yeah.
Yeah, but that ice cream thing, that's contemptible.
I don't know, the toothbrush up your butt thing is pretty Just came to Walmart and they have this brand Hello Bello. I've never heard of them, but I found this Hello Bello brand and I don't think there's any gelatin in these. Gummy Vitamins, B12. I take the Garden of Life B12, but be wary of those sleep gummies. Well, your favorite stationary flavored snack. $6.48. That's pretty inexpensive.
Yeah, it's
4 cookies. I don't know.
not my favorite.
Swiddle. What is that? Like a...
Sweater means IV.
Yeah. Is that like Pedialyte?
Must be, huh?
This looks kind of tasty. Swiddle.
That'd be good after a
Strawberry.
run.
Look at this jazzy Pioneer Woman Instant Pot.
Oh, isn't that nice?
She also has a crock pot by Hamilton Beach. And kitchen scissors. Somebody's getting a toothbrush. Good.
I'm not sure this is... And then it says plant-derived alcohol. What is it, like from corn? Maybe so people don't get tempted to drink it.
I guess. All the back to school stuff already. Markers. Ooh, Sharpie limited edition.
Do they have any of the G2
Pilot G2s.
ones? Well, this is handy for the earbuds.
Yeah. Although, kids, what do they need earbuds for going back? I guess listening to some sort of educational stream of didactics. They have some nice little bound notebooks. The future is feline. I like this one. I'm eyeing these cute little puppy stickers. They're adorable. 240 stickers. So cute. So I found this little table to put my Mossy and Mo moss balls. I also am going to get a little TV tray, a collapsible TV tray. This is only $11 and then that's $14. So I figured that would serve its purpose.
I think these are cute.
Yeah, you can even sit on them.
Maybe you should
Yeah.
get 2 of those.
Let's not get carried away. Snazzy, snazzy. These Time and True earrings, I have a pair of them. I rather like them. I don't have the whole set though. Yeah, I have my earrings are kind of like these, except greenstones. Turquoise is pretty though. Oh, aren't these shorts cute? Little Fiesta-like ruffle. Yeah, the no boundaries tanks are really comfortable. Good boy, we're back. We're back.
Hello, our little greeter.
We didn't end up getting you a toothbrush.
No, I decided that wasn't the best for you. No.
He loves his new fluffy.
Are you happy we're back?
What about a swaddler? Yeah, that's his latest thing. He likes to be swaddled. Oh,
We almost bought you a swaddle
wants
blanket,
to play.
Tybee.
he wants to play soccer.
Tybee Bo.
Just throw it properly, please. Here we go. Oh, I'm
You
sorry.
need to go out, okay? Give me a minute. Give me a minute, mister.
Tabby Bow. Tabby Bow. Oh, say hey, everybody. Hi. You giving me a kiss? Tabby Bow. Tabby Bow, you're excited. Well, hey guys, what's up? I am back from the gym. And speaking of gym, I wanted to share with you all, a viewer sent me a sunscreen from Europe that I've really been enjoying in the gym. It's the Nivea Sun Kids Sensitive Protect and Play, developed for children's skin. SPF 50, very high protection, extra water resistant. This has tinosorb in it, it's fragrance free. It also has licorice root extract in it, which is anti-inflammatory and can be helpful for redness. I noticed licorice root pops up in a lot more sunscreens from Europe. Like it's in the Eucerin ones have licorice root extract in them. You know, it functions as an antioxidant, and so theoretically could scavenge free radicals generated from UV damage. Although I've told you guys before, the issue with that in sunscreens is that sunscreens form a layer, so they kind of keep the antioxidants out. But at any rate, that's in there. This is wonderful, fragrance-free, very gentle. I've been wearing it mostly on my body, and I've been wearing on my face still, and loving, also from Europe, the Sundance SPF 50. This is great, you guys. This is wonderful. This is so comfortable to put on. So yeah, I've talked about this in my European sunscreen video, but this one's newer to me, and I've really been liking it. I've tried it on my face a few times, and it's fine on the face. It's very comfortable to wear on the face, but it is a little bit shiny on the face, whereas this is kind of, I won't say matte, it's sort of neutral, but it feels very comfortable going on. It feels like almost at the tipping point between a cream and a liquid. It's somewhere right in the middle. It's just very comfortable to put on. So I've really been enjoying the Sundance one. The Sundance one is vegan. I don't know about the Nivea Sun one. I'm not sure about that, but yeah, I've really been enjoying this. You know, you guys ask me about wearing sunscreen. Like some people comment like, why do you wear sunscreen in the gym? I wear sunscreen in the gym because I tend to walk outdoors to go to my gym, and then my gym has windows in it, and the treadmills, which is, you know, what I spend the majority of my time in there on while it's still daylight out. Those treadmills are in front of a window, so I have UVA just like hitting me in the face, which, you know, is kind of nice to have windows and be able to look out. I like to look out at the pool, but I want to make sure I protect my skin. So I always put on a water resistant sunscreen before I go in there, so that I am protected. And so I've really been enjoying this one, and it doesn't run into my eyes. But you guys, this might make some stains on your clothing. You all have asked me here and there about stains from sunscreen on your clothing. It can happen for a variety of reasons, and there are a few different types of stains. So like mineral sunscreens can stain your clothing. They leave you know, like a white stain behind, and be really hard to get out. To get that out, one thing that will help is to use a rubbing alcohol to get that out. But a lot of chemical sunscreens are oil soluble, and so they leave kind of a greasy oil stain. Some other sunscreens though that have avobenzone in them, depending on your water and the water softness where you live, it can precipitate with some of the minerals, the deposits in your water, and kind of leave behind rust stains. I don't really know how to get that out. I've honestly never had that happen myself, but I have seen it a fair amount. So be careful in terms of your clothing. But like this hasn't stained any of my clothing because I don't wear sunscreen on my body underneath clothing. I pretty much only use it to sun exposed areas. So like on my arms, my upper chest. I guess I should look very carefully at the edges of my sports bras and tank tops. That'd probably be where there's the most greatest proximity to sunscreen, or like around the straps of my clothing. But yeah, I haven't really had any issue with staining, in other words. But this one could potentially stain your clothing because the chemical filters some of them are oil soluble. Anytime it has that sort of yellowish hue, the sunscreen, can you guys see that? How like, let's get a little bit out here. How it's kind of a little yellowish. It tends to be an indicator that some of the filters are oil soluble, so that it might leave out kind of a greasy stain. But this is very comfortable to wear otherwise. Thank you so much, you guys. You do not need to send me these. I really, really appreciate it. I feel so lucky because you know, it's like I can't get these otherwise. I mean, I can buy some of them on Amazon UK, but not all of them. So I really appreciate that you guys do that. I know it's like really expensive to pay the duties and shipping and everything, so please do not feel like you have to do that whatsoever. But thank you so much. This is awesome, and I've really been enjoying it. And those of you in Europe, you should check this out. It's very, very good. Likewise, Sundance is amazing. This is wonderful. Vegan, and yeah, loving it. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the vlogs this weekend. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, don't forget, sunscreen and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.